Silver is showing signs of life. Will this continue on this Monday, July 20th? We're going to find out on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy coffee. Silver, big news this morning, everybody. Silver shows signs of life. Silver is actually moving up. Finally, actually showing some signs of life instead of death. But hey, what is going to happen this week? What is going on this week that's going to drive silver prices up? What are your predictions, everyone, on silver this week? Let's give our predictions in the comments. Let's hit the like, the subscribe. If you're new to the channel, watch this thing through so the algorithm pushes it to new viewers so we can grow our family, everybody. So thank you so much all over the United States, all over the world, and for watching this channel. Thank you for those absolutely crappy comments that some of you one-time viewers give us. We appreciate those crappy comments, everybody. I mean, hey, if it wasn't sending it to new viewers, we wouldn't be getting those crappy comments. So it shows me that the algorithm is sending it to some new viewers, and because we get some really stupid comments. So that's the way it is. One of my viewers sends SSC, hey, look at this. And some idiot sends me this comment, and I'm like, well, you know, there you go. Typical basement dweller, right? Not Ron's basement, everybody. I like Ron. But a basement dweller with mommy and doesn't have a job and $200,000 in college debt and can't find a job because you won't get out there and look for one. So, all right. Let's get away from that, everybody. Hey, happy Monday. Silver shows signs of life. What is going on with silver? Thanks, everyone all over the country, all over the United States for watching our channel. Thanks all over the world, all over Australia and the UK and Canada. And, of course, we don't want to forget all of our friends in Europe, in Germany and Denmark and Norway. We have lots of you. Our number one viewers, everybody, is California, Texas, Florida, and New York, everyone. New York. I want to do a shout out to Sess in New York. Shout out to Big Red and Big Tech, some of our great viewers, everybody. Thanks for watching. And shout out to all of my members. Members, during these difficult times, you help add just a little bit of income to this channel to help us do some things, pay for fuel when we go places, go to coin shows, maybe film coin shows, everyone. So my buddy Mike just got back from the coin show in Arkansas. I'll get some updates on that from him. Did anybody sell silver? I asked him that at the coin show. A lot of people didn't even bring silver and gold. A lot didn't sell silver and gold, but there were a few there that were selling their precious metals, everybody. But a lot of them just simply said, no, I'm just not going to do it. Are the premiums on silver still high, guys? I checked some of the premiums on some of the sites on silver, and the premiums were about between 20 and 25% on a silver eagle. On American Silver Eagle, 20 to 25% markup on Eagles, everybody. So these bullion companies that are selling this bullion are still holding high premiums on their stuff. So make sure you do research on that, guys, because we are on the rise on our silver once again, and we always tell everybody it's a very long-term hold. So silver and gold, guys. Let's move on over here. And let's go to, here we go, gold, $4,019. We're back over $4,000 an ounce on gold. Thank you for that, because I just bought golly, a bunch of gold nuggets again. If you watched the video yesterday, you saw some gold nugget pickups that we had. Incredible. And I counted 15 more coming. So we got close to an ounce of gold nuggets coming this week. I think that's what it is. I'll have to look at it again. When they get in, I always weigh them, put them up, everybody, add them to the vial. I got a big vial of gold nuggets that my goal is to fill that vial up. It's kind of like how many ounces of silver do we want to stack? How much gold can we get in this big vial? And it's about like that. So it's pretty good size, about the size of my thumb. We want to fill that up. I'm thinking that's probably going to hold 2 ounces or 3 ounces of gold. And is this a great time to buy gold? I think it is, because looking at some of the charts, everybody, when I was watching gold and silver, man, it's coming. Probably, I'm going to say August, September, October are going to be really good months. October may be a little bit slower month, but August, we're going to start really seeing signs of life, I think, mid-August possibly. We are showing signs of life on silver right now. Life, not lice. 56.82. Everyone, I woke up at, midnight early this morning, and it was over $57 an ounce. So we're up about $1 an ounce right now. From where it started. So that's a good start for a Monday, everybody. A good start. So I think we're going to see it start rising in August, September, especially September, about the time I go on my vacation. It did have some life last year in July where it started to go up, but the big run started about August, September, and just kept going from there, guys. I think we're going to show some life. We're going to show some life on gold. We're going to show some life on silver in August, some big life. And I think we're just going to keep going. So they're still predicting high silver prices into the year, high gold prices into the year. So really, you got to look 5 years ahead, 10 years ahead on your gold and silver prices, everybody. And that's all there is to it. I mean, right now we're looking at 4 months ahead, and we're looking at big silver and big gold. So we're going to find out what happens. If you're in it for triple digits, hang on to it. It's going to happen. You just got to have some confidence and some patience, everybody, and some coffee. It's Monday. So I pick up my 16 ounces of Englehards. We're going to show those to you on Super Copper Silver Sunday next Sunday. And those videos have not done very good, but they're still a lot of fun to make. They used to do 30,000 views, 10,000 views, 8,000 views. It's just that time of the year. It's summertime. The summertime blues on creator channels, right? So let's move on with platinum, $1,596, palladium at $1,248, and rhodium, $7,875, guys. I am going to do something a little bit different. And, here's what's funny. I used to do this every day because I'm not a fan. And I had one of my viewers said, "Hey, will you stop talking about something you don't know anything about?" Okay, I will. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to talk about it anyway. So we're going to move on to Bitcoin, guys. When I started this channel, Bitcoin was $124,000. Okay, to get one Bitcoin. Not a fan. Now it's $64,190. And you're worried about your silver, guys? How would you like to take that big hit? How about the guy that's invested $100,000 in silver and he sold it at 60 because he panicked? How about if you had invested at 123, 124,000 in Bitcoin and it dropped down to 60, and it did? Did you sell it then? I mean, gosh, I'm not a big fan. Bitcoin, you know, digital. Who cares? Who cares? All you youngsters, if you're going to Bitcoin, I'm sorry. I hope that you change your mind and you do something different. It's a digital currency, guys. That's end times currency. And I'm not going to do it. I'll never do it. I don't care if it drops down to 5 cents. Now, if you got in it back in the early, 2008, 9, whatever, and it was just dirt cheap and you've made millions of dollars, hey, kudos to you on that. But not me. I'm not going to fall for it, right? And what's funny about Bitcoin, everybody, at $64,190, we have a lot of people out there that bash stacking copper. Okay, so all these people that invested in Bitcoin at $123,000, $126,000, and your investment crashed. Copper doesn't crash, goes up in value. Okay, so whether it's a high 300% premium or not, did better than Bitcoin and has. So back at it, back to it. That's my rant on Bitcoin. Did a little something different, changed it up just a little bit. Let's move over to our Mumbai and our Shanghai and our UK out there. Let's check it out. Hong Kong, $4,007 on gold and $56.71 on silver. Mumbai right now is at $4,019.78. What's the big deal on the cents? Just take the cents out of it, right? Coffee's good. It's Monday. It's 5:20 in the morning, roughly. I'm running a little bit late, guys. There's silver, Mumbai silver at 56.91. So doing a little bit better than Hong Kong. And what is our gold to silver ratio this morning, everybody? Still, gold is holding strong in there. It's 70.82, so 70 to 1. Need that thing to drop down to about 30 to 1, right? If it drops down to 31, all that silver I've been banging hard on, I might do some trading for gold. But I see my future in silver, although it's extremely explosive when it goes up and implodes when it goes down, right? I just still think over the long term, that's going to be the best undervalued investment that I have, other than a few other things. So that's why we hold gold and silver, everyone. So let's move on to our base metals. Copper still holding very, very strong. Coming up, it's at 608, nickel at 763, aluminum at $1.42. Aluminum really hasn't changed much to everybody. And our copper, it's actually about the same as it was on Friday when we updated you on it on Saturday and Sunday. So still doing really, really good. I'm really happy I have it. Can't wait for Balmain Mint, guys, to send me those bars. Go check out Balmain Mint. It's the new copper standard, in my opinion. Go check them out at balmainmint.com. They're a Canadian base. They have monthly allocations. So if you don't get into those allocations that they make, I mean, they're far and few between. Once they're gone, they're gone. You got to wait till the next month. So get yours today at balmainmint.com, guys. It's really, really cool. They don't sponsor me, but I'm excited to see their product. I know some of you have already got yours on the way. And if you're into the beautiful, incredible copper 1 kilo bars, they're going to be a great source. And hopefully they hit some 5 ounce and 10 ounce. They get set up for that, guys. But it costs millions of dollars to set these businesses up to pour metals, whether it be silver or copper or gold, everybody. So our gold backs are going to be the same as they were over the weekend. They don't update until today at 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. is when mine shows up. 803 still. Our India spot price, everybody, 77.83. Shanghai spot price, everyone, is at 62.98. What's going to happen on the 24th? This week, guys, the big news with China going away from the paper. What is that going to do to gold? It's going to be interesting. Hey, everybody, make sure you comment down there in the comments section, and let's talk about it. Talk to the other viewers. I try to answer your comments, especially during the week, the best I can, guys. But sometimes I can't get to it. I have a regular job that I have to go to. I mean, this isn't my. If I relied on this channel to be my sole income, I would starve to death. So some of them that have been doing it for 10 years, Seeker, Yankee Stacking, Ron's Basement, a lot of those guys, they make, this is their sole living. This is what they do. So if they're used to 100,000 views per video and they drop down to 20 and 30,000, that puts a dent in their pocketbook. So I don't put all my eggs in one basket. I have two jobs. I have my regular job that provides my income, that buys my silver and my gold. And I have this job, and this is the fun job, right? This is the job I really love, coming to you from my living room to yours, and talking to the family, talking to my friends, making new friends. So thank you for watching. Let's move on to oil, guys. Let's check out and let's see what oil is this morning. Oil is gone up because of the stuff that keeps going on in the Middle East. This draws oil up in price, 81.91 right now per barrel, everyone. And the U.S. dollar is it's holding about the same. It's not really climbing a whole lot, not going over 101. It's at 100.78. Golly, that's great coffee. So 5:22 in the morning. So this is probably going to post a little bit later. But guys, I'm seeing silver in my predictions. I'm seeing silver really start to climb in August, September, October. Everyone, even though we're at 56, where are we at here? We're at 56.80. We've already been over $57 an ounce. Will it climb today and go over 57 by 5 p.m. Central Standard Time? You know, if it climbed $1 a day, let's see. Let's look at it this way. If it climbed $2 a day, and then maybe the next day dropped $1 or dropped $2, and then the next day it climbed $2.50, you know, here we go. We're going to start climbing that ladder again. We're late July, everybody. Is it going to happen? So make sure you comment what you think silver is going to do this week. It's showing signs of life. Are we going to go down? The U.S. markets open up. Is it going to drive the price down? The typical silver manipulation. Are they going to drive it up a couple, $2 or $3, and then just boom, sell to cover their margins, everybody? We'll find out and see what happens this week. It's going to be fun. We'll see you Wednesday and Friday on our market updates. Go check out my boys on eBay, Sluice Boys, eBay live gold nugget auctions, guys. I hope to see you there because a lot of times if I'm not buying, I'm still on there talking to the boys at Sluice Boys. Two bald guys and a nugget. That's us. That's our new nicknames, SSC, and our boys at Sluice Boys at the auction. And go check out Balmain Mint, those incredible copper bars. These guys don't sponsor me, but because when I believe in somebody and when I have trust in somebody and their products, guys, why not promote them? Why not? So thank you, everybody. We're going to check those Balmain Mint bars out when we get them. Probably be a week or two. And then once we get them, we'll show you guys on a super Copper Silver Sunday. So everybody have a fantastic Monday. Our gold is at 4,020. Our silver 56.78. Will it go up? We're showing signs of life, everybody. So hey, Heavenly Father, thank you for all of the things you have given us. Please bless our viewers. Bless good fortune upon my viewers, guys. And let's hope that they seek you instead of money. Do not worship money, everybody. Concentrate on the 80% that you have and not the 20% you seek. So our clicker is probably not going to work. So everybody have a great Monday. So we'll find out if it works. I'm going to have to click it twice. So everybody have a great Monday. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. Is it going to work? I'm out.